Hi everyone, Coach Andrey is here with the Cave Parkour. I'm going to teach you kip up off the floor. Here's a warm-up, 2 rounds of 10 tug jump over burpees, 15 seconds bridge hold, 10 candlestick rock with a hand plant, 5 wall back band walks, 5 limbos, and 5 bridge kip ups. Here are a couple kip up drills. Drill 1 is working with elevation that's 2 feet, a little bit lower or a little bit higher, having ideally something underneath to make this surface slanted. You're going to have your lower back right on the edge. Don't sit too far this way, so lower the hips down, rock back, kip. Just like you did for the warm-up, kipping into a bridge. But because of the elevation, you'll be able to stand up with ease. And remember to open the hips and keep them open as you stand up. If you bend the hips right away, you'll fall back. Work your way down, taking 1 layer at a time. So in this case, I take the block off and doing it from here. Working your way to the floor. Once you did some kip ups with elevation, a nice way to ease into the kip up from the floor is to do it next to the wall, where you'll kip up into the bridge and then walk up. Right here, walk back with your feet a bit and then get up from here by driving the hips forward. And remember, keep the hips open. If you bend them, you'll fall back. And stand up. After a couple of those, then try to do a kip up. Notice when I kip up, I try to get my ankles behind my knees and behind my hips.
Hey guys, I just have some tips for you on the timing of this movement. It's really important to be at the right place at the right time. So when you rock back onto your shoulders, there's a pause that happens before you extend and kip. That pause is really important because it loads up the weight on your shoulders and your arms, getting you ready to finish the move in the correct way. If that timing is off, all sorts of funny things will happen.
For the cool down, we have 3 stretches. They're all going to be done at the wall. 1 is 30 seconds per side, Pancake Rainbow. 2nd is Pike, 60 seconds of that. If you can't reach for the toes, perhaps you might already feel a stretch being upright against the wall like so. Be sure that there's no space between the low back and the wall. And the final stretch, 30 seconds per side, is our favorite, figure 4. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Stay tuned for more.